What's going on, guys? Sorry about that. Sponsored by Izzy. Just kidding. Not sponsored. Wish I was. But anyway, what's going on, guys? Cassie24 here today. Back at you again for another video. This time around, I'm much more energetic because the other day I was very tired and I do apologize. I was considering not even posting that video because I didn't know if it was the kind of quality that I wanted to put up on the channel. But you guys were still really supportive and I really do appreciate it. Now I'm back. I'm full of energy. I got my Izzy here. We are good to go. And today, we're going to be reacting to Michael Jackson's This Is It, Human Nature. And as you guys can probably already predict, if you're a Michael fan, you've probably seen This Is It, this performance in particular, a million times, as have I. But personally, and I'm sure for many of you, it's magical every single time. It's beautiful. The vocal performance is beautiful. His passion is beautiful. It's just an overall spectacular performance, and it's magic. And yeah, so I mean, it's not going to be any different this time. It's going to be fantastic. That's what we're going to do, guys. This is it, Human Nature. In 3, 2, 1, let's go, Mike.
Yeah.
Kenny Ortega. Who's worked on him for Dangerous in History, I believe. Then Dorian, his vocal coach, has worked with him for since Bad, the Bad tour. His vocals are superb here. He's having fun with it. He does sound great.
Get me out, bam,
Bam.
right there, into the nighttime. Falls won't hold
He's
me
very, very good at
tonight.
communicating what he wants in a polite and humble way.
This town is just an apple. Let me take a bite. And they say, why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Daddy, do it that way. And they say, why? Tell them that it's human nature.
This shows you just how much he had to give to the world still at age 50. He was just,
Reaching out.
there was just nothing like him. Just look at him.
Eyes look everywhere. See that girl.
Sorry, my cat's messing around.
Knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. If they say why, tell her that it's human nature. Why, tell you that way.
Ooh,
They say
popping.
why, tell her that it's human nature. Why, tell you that way.
This is my favorite performance of the song, by the way.
I like loving this way.
It's just amazing. Wow.
Looking out.
So good, man. Wow.
Across the morning, set me hard begin to bleed.
His moves. You can just tell he was getting into, look at that, getting into the groove.
She likes the way
50. 50.
If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why, tell they do it that way. They say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why,
Just look at him go,
tell
man.
they do it that way. They say why.
The light, too, illuminating him in the background is so pretty.
Tell them that it's human nature.
magic.
Daddy, you be that way. And they say, why? Ooh,
God,
tell 'em
vibrato.
I like
It's so good.
I like loving this way.
That's my favorite part too. This is my mom's favorite vocal part in this song. One of mine too. It's very pretty. So delicate. Wow. How he can move. Wow. Spectacular performance, guys. It's really sad because it gives you a glimpse of how incredible the show really would have been. It would have been by far one of his best tours he's ever done. It's incredible to see how much he still had to give, but it's sad at the same time because we never got to fully experience that. And I'm very glad that we got to see this because it shows you how great of a showman he really was, how good he was at communicating what he wanted in a humble, respectful way, how good of a showman he was, how him creating and processing things that no one could ever understand. Just the true artistry and the true magic of Michael. It's really, really great. I have This Is It on the Blu-ray 2-disc set. And I love it very, very much. And I know there's a lot of controversy around This Is It. A lot of people don't like it. A lot of people do. I personally do. I really don't try to look at the... I'm not going to go into that because that's too much to talk about. But anyway, guys, yeah, Michael Jackson, Human Nature, This Is It. An incredible performance by Michael. I'm at a loss for words. It's amazing. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one.